Good morning everyone, my name is Rina and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we continue with our statistics playlist and today we're going to talk about distribution in statistics. So distribution is very important in statistics because it helps you know the kind of data set that you have. So the first distribution that we're going to talk about, I'm sure many of you know about this, is the normal or Gaussian distribution. So normal or Gaussian distribution. Okay. So I'm sure many must have seen this beautiful bell curve in statistics where we do a hypothesis testing, a lot of calculations from it. So it's like this, you have a base and then it's like this, like a bell curve. Okay, this is your normal distribution, and normally it's divided like this into two similar halves. Okay, and we have different characteristics from it, where here normally we have the mean, and in this kind of distribution the mean is equal to the mode, and the mode is equal to the median. So all these three figures are similar when you have this kind of distribution. Also, as you can see, it has a bell curve. Okay, the shape is bell curve. It's like a bell, inverted bell. This is one of the characteristics. We also have it's symmetrical on both sides. It's bilaterally symmetrical, so you have data here and data here on the right. And something very important is that the amount of data on the left is equal to the amount of data on the right. This is another characteristics. So let's see about the characteristics of the normal distribution. So characteristics. So first thing, as I said, it has a bell curve. This you can see visually. Next, it is symmetrical on both sides, bilaterally symmetrical. So what does this mean is that amount of data on left is equal to the amount of data on the right. Okay, so you have the same quantity of data from left and right. This is another characteristics. And then you have another characteristics here, which is about the mean, median and mode. So the mean the mean is equal to the mode, which is equal to the median. This is the third characteristics. The fourth one, this is important. This is very important too. The area here, the area under the curve. If you were to calculate the area under the curve, you will see that this area is equal to 1, always. This is quite another characteristics, okay? So area under the curve, it's called the AUC. So area under curve is equal to 1. Okay, always equal to 1. You also have another characteristics where you can see that the tail, both the tail never touches the base. So this also is another characteristics. Tail never touches the base, whichever left or right. Okay, why is that? It's because here, when you have this kind of data set, you have this kind of distribution, the probability can never be 0. Okay, so why is that? Probability, I'm going to tell you more about this. Probability can never be equal to 0. So here what I mean is that, for example, you have a data set like age, height, weight. These numbers, when you get a data set of these numbers, you can never get a number 0, right? Because there's always a weight, whenever the source of these, there's always a number, an age, a weight, a height. So when you get this kind of data set, you already know that this data set, it is a normal, follows a normal distribution. So example, you have age, height, and weight. Okay, so this, as you see, it can never be 0. So this is a bit about the characteristics of normal distribution, 5 of them, important characteristics that you can quickly observe, that you know that this is a normal distribution. So I hope that you got a clue about normal distribution and its characteristics. You learn a bit more about it as compared what you did learn in high school. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it. Bye bye.